Welcome to Learning with UNP. In this session of Business Intelligence with Power BI, we will be understanding about merging queries in Power BI. We will also focus on understanding the introduction to merging queries, the use of it, and the types of merge. We will be using the Superstores dataset which contains two tables known as location data and Superstore data for this demonstration. Let's begin by first understanding what merging queries actually means. Merging queries is a powerful feature in Power BI that allows us to combine data from two or more different tables into one. Think of it as a way of linking related data from various sources. This is especially useful when you have data that's spread across multiple tables but it is connected by a common field or column. For example, you might have one table containing customer information and another table with sales data. Both of these tables may have a customer ID column, and by merging, you can bring together all the customer details and their corresponding sales data into a single view. This technique is similar to performing a join in a database, where you link tables based on a common field, and that's where the different types of mergers come into play. Now the question is, why do we need to merge queries? The main purpose of merging queries is to combine related datasets to get a more complete picture for analysis. It eliminates the need to manually combine information and ensures that all data remains connected and accurate. With merging, you can enhance datasets by adding related information from another table, create more powerful reports by integrating data that would otherwise remain isolated, simplify data models by reducing the number of separate tables you work with, leading to easier visualization and analysis. In our case, we have two tables from Superstores data, one with location data and another with Superstore data. By merging this, we can see not just sales figures but also information like the state and city where those sales occurred. Power BI offers different types of joins or merges, each of which serves a specific purpose. The most common merge types include left outer join. This merge keeps all rows from the first table, that is left table, and adds matching rows from the second table. If there is no match, Power BI will fill in null values. Right outer join. This merge is the opposite, keeping all rows from the second table, that is right table, and only matching rows from the first table. Inner join. This keeps only the rows that have matching values in both tables. If there is no match, the rows are excluded. Full outer join. This includes all rows from both tables even if they don't match. Anti-joins. These are used to find non-matching rows. A left anti-join keeps rows from the first table where there is no match in the second, and a right anti-join does the opposite. The choice of merge type depends on what you want to achieve with your combined data. For example, if you want to see all sales records regardless of whether there is matching location data, you would use a left outer join. However, if you only want to see sales that have matching location details, you would opt for an inner join. Now, let's jump into the practical demonstration using the Superstores dataset. We are in the Power BI query editor. Let's load the dataset here. Click on New Source, Excel Workbook, browse for Superstores dataset. Click Open. Over here, we will choose two tables, location data and Superstores data. The tables are loaded. In the location data table, we have these columns, location ID, country, state, and city. In the Superstores data table, we have ship date, ship mode, segment, category, subcategory, sales, quantity, discount, profit, and location ID columns. Both of these tables share a common field, which is location ID. This field will be the key we use to merge the two datasets. To merge these tables, we follow these steps. We are in the Home tab. We have Merge Queries option here. Click on it. We have two options, Merge Queries as New. Let's choose Merge Queries as New to create a brand new table from the merge. In the merge window, you'll see two drop-down menus. In the first drop-down menu, we select Superstores data table as the primary table. We already have it loaded as I chose Merge Query option by selecting Superstores data. In the second drop-down menu, we select Location data. Next, let's select the common field that links two tables. So the common field that links these two tables is Location ID. We choose location ID. After selecting the tables and the matching columns, now we need to choose the type of merge. In this case, we want to keep all rows from Superstores data table, that is left table, and only match the corresponding rows from the location table, that is right table. So we select left outer join. By default, we have it here. Let's click on OK. Once the merge is done, we'll notice a new column added here. It's named as location data. To view actual columns, click the expand icon next to the column. Here, we must uncheck use original column name as prefix to remove unnecessary prefix and then select the columns we want to add from the location data, such as country, state, city. So let's uncheck location ID as we already have it in the Superstores data. Click on OK. Now the datasets are merged. We'll see additional columns like country, state and city in the Superstores data. Let's rename the merged table as merged data. This combined data is now ready for analysis and you can proceed to build your visualizations using this enriched dataset. After reviewing the merged data, click on Close and Apply to return to the main Power BI interface where you can create reports based on the merged dataset. Let's click on it. And that's it. We have successfully merged the Superstores data with the location data, allowing us to view sales figures alongside their respective locations. This is all about today's lecture. See you in the next lecture. Thank you.